This is Sketchup, and we're going to talk about 3D printing using Sketchup. The first thing I need to do is create a new model, but in millimeters. So make sure you choose millimeters. Once you come in, it will look like this, not like that. So you'll see a little eye down here. We're going to go to the model information, and we're going to change that to 0.00, which will allow us to see fractions of a millimeter, which is important when we're making small models. Just going to move that out of the way for now. The next thing is I'm going to click on this guy and press delete because he's in my way. Next up, I'm just going to start setting up some tools. So I'm just going to show you what we can do to make a 3D model, a very simple cube. I'm going to click on the pencil. I like to start at the origin in the intersection of the X, Y, and Z axes. Click and come along the red line. I'm going to go type the number 10 and press enter. That's drawn me a 10mm line. Mouse wheel lets me zoom in. I have to zoom in quite a way. Now you can see there's my 10mm line. I'm now going to go on the green axis, and again, let go of everything, just type 10, press enter. I'm going to pick the mouse back up again and come across here. And again, I'm at 10mm. I can type the 10 in again if I want to, press enter or click, and then I'm going to pull down and click again. I've now made a square, a 10 by 10 square. I'm now going to go onto this, push pull, click, push up and type 10. I've now made a 10mm cube. I'm just going to go back to the arrow to help me select things. I'm going to click with the middle mouse wheel, I can now rotate my object and look around that object. I can zoom in with the wheel. I can zoom out with the wheel. Right click gives me a menu. Left click deselects the menu. Left click, I can select a face, or I can select a line, and then also I can double click to select a face with its borders, and triple click to select the whole model, everything that's touching that model. They're the basics that we need to be able to manipulate within SketchUp. That's it for now. As I draw things, I'll introduce the tools and I'll explain what the tools do, rather than have a big long tutorial talking about everything. If you want a big long tutorial, I'm sure there's one somewhere on YouTube. Go and watch it.